Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 19th block, which is our mineral resource. Isn't it, children? And in the first topic, we have learned the types of minerals, which is metallic minerals, non metallic minerals, mineral fuels. Isn't it, children? So, in the second topic, we are going to learn about the uses of minerals. Okay, so let's start with the iron ore. Okay, so please open your social content books, children, and turn to page number 118. 118. Okay, so let's start with iron ore. Okay, this is your iron ore, children. It is an impure material. Okay, uh, it's an impure material and it is very hard metal. Okay, and it is used for making the tools, utensils like this. These are iron utensils, and these are the tools which we use from the iron. Okay, and from this steel is produced, children, from iron, as it is an impure material mineral. So steel is produced from this iron ore. Okay, which becomes more durable than the iron ore, and also which is rust free. So iron things, you can see rust on them after some period of time, because that iron and air get some reactions and rust is formed on the iron. So this steel which is produced from the iron will be rust free. Okay, next you have copper ore. So this is your copper ore. Okay, and from this copper is excreted. Okay, so that means these are naturally occurred. From this the mineral is extracted. Okay, from iron ore iron is extracted and steel is extracted. From copper ore copper is extracted, and this copper is used to make wires. Can you see the wire? Copper wires. Okay, copper jewelry, copper utensils, and some electrical gadgets like this. Okay, so in these ways copper is used. That's why we said minerals are very essential and valuable and useful to us, isn't it, children? So these are the uses. Okay, next you have manganese ore. So this is your manganese ore, from which manganese is extracted. Okay, from this mainly we extract the steel from it and make things like utensils, tools, steel utensils. You can find it. Okay, next you have aluminium ore, which is also called as bauxite. Okay, and this is used for making aluminium things. Why? Because it is very light in weight and it is very flexible. Flexible means which can be bent easily, and by bending also it will not break. Okay, it's not broken when it is bent. Okay, that is the reason why we use this aluminium. Okay, and this is used to make utensils and some parts of aeroplanes, vehicles like ships, aeroplanes, and all, and also electronic gadgets, also electronic goods, the mouse, the pen drive. So in these all these things also we use aluminium. Okay, children, next you have gold. This is the gold ore, which will be occurred in nature. Okay, from this you will extract the gold to make the jewelry. Why? Because of its color and its shininess. It has the property of shiny. Okay, that's why people use this gold to make jewelry. Okay, next you have mica. Okay, so this is used to make certain drugs, some medicines. Okay, and also it is mixed in some paints also. Okay, children, and this mica is also used to make some electronic tools. Okay, that means the inner parts of these electronic goods, tools, you can see mica. Okay, next you have gypsum. Gypsum is used to make the cement. Okay, and fertilizers, cement which we use to build our houses. Okay, and fertilizers also. Okay, next you have limestone. Okay, so this is also used to make the building materials like cement and all. Okay, and this limestone is used to purify the iron ore. We have learned that iron ore is an impure material, mineral, isn't it? So with the help of this limestone, that iron ore can be purified. Okay, next, coal. You all know coal, isn't it, children? So this coal is a fuel which helps to run some machines. Okay, earlier engines, trains used to run on coal. Okay, and coal is also used in various industries, or and also in thermal power stations. Thermal power stations means the places where the electricity is produced, children. Okay, and in some domestic purposes also, you can even now see some iron people will be ironing with the help of coal iron boxes, ironing the clothes. So some domestic purposes like that also. Okay, next you have finally petroleum. Okay, so this is the naturally found mineral under the ground. Okay, and when you refine this petroleum, okay, then you can get many products like tar, which is used to make the roads. And then you can also get the grease, which is this one, this is your grease. Okay, and also you can get the petrol and the diesel which we use to run the vehicles, and kerosene. Children, earlier the stoves were used to run with the kerosene. Nowadays people are using very less amount of kerosene. And this natural gas also, which we use now for cooking, that also we get from the petroleum. Okay, so in this different ways we use all the minerals. Okay, and if you see in your content book, children, you can see the pictures how iron is used to make the hammer. We have learned that tools are made of iron, isn't it, like this hammer. Okay, then the tar which you get from petroleum, the road, yes, gold jewelry, copper, the wire, isn't it? So in this different ways we use this minerals. Okay, so I want you to read this topic, children, and underline the keywords which I have given in your daily schedule. Learn them and write it in your classwork. And if you find any other words which is difficult, you can underline that and write it in your classwork, as well as you can learn it also. Okay, coming to your question answers. What are mineral fuels? What are its uses? So mineral fuels, we have learned yesterday, they are the fuels which gives energy, isn't it? And some of them are coal, petroleum, natural gas. Yes, so coal is used as fuel in many various industries, thermal power stations, isn't it? And also some households. Petrol and diesel are used in the automobiles to travel, isn't it? And also we can use write the tar that people make the tar roads. Yes, all those you can write it down. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 16, S2, uses of minerals. Okay, so in the next class I'll teach you how the minerals are distributed in our country, where they are available. Okay, so that will be after the formative exams, children. So on Monday I'll be sending you the revision. Please learn the revision properly along with the spellings, and uh, give some space between the words while you are writing the answers. Write neatly, use capital letters only in the beginning of the sentence and after the full stop. And if you have any noun, any name of a place or a thing, then you use the capital letter, children. Okay, and in the blanks also, don't use the capital letters in the blanks, children. If the blank in at the starting of the sentence, then you use the capital letters. If it is in the middle, use the small letter to fill in the blank. Okay, so whatever I have given in the revision, please learn them, the question answers, fill in the blanks, glossary, volume book, everything. Okay, so prepare well and do well, children. Okay, all the best for your exams, children. Bye.